In a world full of darkness, in a world full of fear, when evil seems to multiply, Lord, we know you are near. This world is filled with darkness. Evil seems to rise each day. The love of money blinds the hearts of men, and innocent lives are taken away. Children cry behind the classroom walls. Those who should protect them sometimes fail. But there is one who never sleeps. Our God will never fail. When there is no safe place to run, when every door seems closed, lift up your eyes unto the Lord. Our help comes from the throne. God is still in the saving business. God is still our hiding place. As He saved Moses from the Jesus never changes. Yesterday, today, and forever, He is still the same. God is still in the saving business. What if I cheated coupon?